Hello everyone, welcome to Akib Digital Marketing Services. Myself Akib Junaid, I am a social media marketer. I am providing Facebook or Instagram services for the growth of your business. In Facebook advertisement, I create different campaigns like awareness, lead, website traffic, engagement. In campaign, we test different ad set and test different audience. Then we further create different ads, include images, videos, carousel ad. It actually depend upon your business. After setup and run the campaign, I will provide you complete analytics reports of campaign based on CTR, impression, reach, return on ad spend, return on investment. Basically, why you advertise on Facebook? The reason is simple. There are billion of active user or business are available on Facebook. It is the cheap and fast reach method for advertisement. By using low budget, we can target high quantity audience on Facebook. Basically, engagement convert succeed is our digital strategies, your victory. For complete information, visit my Upwork profile. I can share my complete information or FAQs related to Facebook advertisement. If you have any problem facing in Facebook advertising, then feel free to contact me. I am here to help you anytime. Thank you.